everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, my channel's name is Rebel Scoutmaster, my alias, my Instagram name. I got some new ideas for this year, so I'm hoping I can flesh all those new ideas out. I want to keep it simple, bring you guys some interesting conversations. So if you like this content, if you would please like and subscribe. And appreciate everybody's support for watching all my videos last year. I just today actually looked like I hit 60,000 views, which, but for me, that's great. I really appreciate everybody's support and all that. So just hang out, watch some videos. It's kind of fun. I put a post on the YouTube community the other day asking how many people do you subscribe to? I didn't get that many responses, but got a few. So I thought I was kind of in a minority because I think I subscribe to probably 100. About 100 to 110, depending. And those are usually, I mean, those are people that I watch all the time. So some of those guys that I watch, and I'll go through a couple of those. One of the guys that kind of got me started on this was Life of Merch. I enjoyed, oh, check out the Porsche. So he kind of got me started on the whole idea of motovlogging. I had a Honda Rebel before I had this bike, so his content of course popped up, and I started watching him pretty regularly. So started watching him. Shortly after that, I kind of found several other guys at Quasi-Motard, which I started watching because he had a Honda Rebel as well, but he has just about every bike you could possibly imagine, from big to small, it seems like. So he's got a lot of good content too, does a lot of travels. Pretty interesting. His scooter tramp, Scotty, of course, he is like a staple. He, man's been living on the road for over 25 years. True motorcycle drifter. He doesn't just do it for the views. He doesn't do it for the money. He just does it because that's what he does. It's his lifestyle. So found a couple others too. Saddle Tramp. Kind of like watching a lot of his content. He likes building old choppers, old Harleys, panheads and show heads, and all that kind of stuff. So he does a lot of pretty good content too. He's a local guy. Local to me anyway. Another channel that I really like to watch is Two Indians. Brian with Two Indians and Barbara. He's got a lot of good travel motorcycle content. I really dig all what he's got going on, and his Bikers Against Bullies calendar. It's pretty awesome. Another one that was that's a Mississippi guy is Country Coder. You check him out. He's a good old boy, and he does lots of cool motovlogs and off-road stuff. He's got an Africa Twin, I believe, another motorcycle too. I'm not sure off the top of my head. He's another cool guy, and totally not related to motorcycle content. If you guys want to like escape, have sold everything they own and bought a boat, and they have been sailing around the world with their kids for like the last 5 or 6 years, and it's called Sailing Zatara. Check those guys out; they're pretty awesome. They have lots of adventures and pretty cool stuff, and that's definitely an escape. Who else? I know I'm forgetting. Like I said, I've got over 100. I can't remember all of them. Salty and Sprinkles out of Texas. Those pretty good guys. Pretty good husband and wife team. They do drive Indians. There's nothing wrong with that. Also a pretty good bit of content. I actually posted a question. I had a friend who was selling the War Rock Atlas 2, and I said, hey, I could pick up this Atlas for like $100. Would you buy it? And he said, hell no, it's junk. And I said, well, that's kind of what I was thinking. But, so he's pretty, that's pretty good content too. And, let's see, also you always got Ricky Not So Martin and Ricky Bobber, the two guys that are Indian motorcycle ambassadors. Pretty awesome guys, seems like, just from their content they put out. It's pretty awesome. Also, another Indian motorcycle ambassador, Riding Fish. So, of course, you know, I'm partial to all my Indian guys, and so I enjoy their content. Dirty Motorcycle Vagabond, he's another one. He and Scotty are friends, and he's also on the road 100% of the time. And he's got a Honda, I think it's a CB750. Well, like I said, this is kind of a short video, a little bit of a moto vlog for you guys on a couple of the guys that I'd like to follow. If you like my content, if you would, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep your two wheels down, guys. Peace.